How do you think today went?
It was okay. I think
Yeah?
went well. We did 2 tracks today, did we?
Yeah.
One called Julie, and another one called what was the name? Imbrazewano. Yeah.
I like that one. That one is nice. It's got a rowdy feel to it. It's nice. Rough.
And the lyrics as well. I think they're quite strong.
Between the two of you, who made the most mess ups and retakes and all that kind of stuff?
It's quite clear. You can see how fidgety he is. It just shows like.
I'm enjoying the mix. You know, this mix is nice and clean.
look how uncomfortable he is. It shows that he's been making mistakes. Look at that.
Okay,
the guy wants to consolidate things.
The most important question that I think everyone will be asking is, when is the album going to be ready? Because Julie's been in the works since, well, you came down here and recorded in, what was it, June?
Yeah,
June of last year.
Yeah. Well, we don't know when we're going to drop it, but it's because the good thing is we finished recording.
It's done.
So it's done. We finished the recording and everything. So it's done. So now it's just the mixing and mastering, but we don't want to rush it.
Yeah. Mixing and mastering. As we're saying, we're studying these guys, legends. So we're taking it a bit more that, just critiquing, seeing where they went, what they were doing right, and try and infuse that in what they were doing.
And you're going to tell them about the demo that we just did towards the end there. Or is that top secret?
Let him talk about it.
The demo we just did? Oh, today?
It's not going to be on the album, is it?
The Form 4. Form 4. It's a tricky one. Okay, the thing, because we already shot the album today, so Form 4, I don't think we're going to put it on the album. I mean, it's quite debatable. We'll see how it comes out. Because we're going to send the files to Mono, and then we'll see how it does.
Shout out there.
Yeah, shout out to Mono.
Tag him.
Mono the magician. Is Mono the magician?
No, he's a doctor, man.
Mono is a doctor.
Yeah.
Mono the doctor, Dr. Mono. So we're going to send the files to him maybe tomorrow, and then he's going to obviously come up with some. He always does some wonders.
Yeah.
That guy.
I can't wait to see what he does. Because, you know,
that's one thing we look forward to. Like, we record vocals and then we send it tomorrow, and then obviously when he responds to us, he says that what he's done with the guitar work, and it's always amazing. That's one thing we always look forward to.
I think that's the most interesting part of the record. Apart from the mistakes.
Yeah, apart from the mistakes.
You know when you do a demo and then you send it to them. Brings it back.
Yeah,
it's a bigger challenge. You need to rise up to the occasion.
Do you ever tell him what you want from a track, or does he?
Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. But most of the time we don't want to tell him because because he's a natural.
Yeah.
The thing with Mono is like he understands what we try to do.
Yeah.
It's I don't know. Our relationship with him is like a match made in heaven.
Yeah.
Why I say
he is your sound, isn't he?
Yeah, he's like the heart of our stuff. So most of the time we just send some stuff to him and let him do, his magic, and then it always works out.
In Mono we trust, eh?
I like that.
Okay, so back to the album.
Yeah.
Are you gonna tell them track listings and how many tracks are how many? Oh, okay. So secretive.
Very secretive.
But you've got music videos and all of that lined up.
We've recorded a few.
We've recorded a few, so that's what we're working on now.
So we just need to,
It has to be a package.
Just a package.
Of course.
Want to bring something really different.
Yeah.
Something really different.
Okay. Well, before we when we
push the boundaries a little bit.
Okay.
Change the status.
We'll bring this to a close.
No, before we close, shout out to Alex at ATP Studio.
Thank you.
Yeah, main man.
The consolidator.
Yeah, man. This has been like a home to us. Yeah, we're always happy coming to shoot here. To record, right? To record. So it's always been a pleasure working with Alex. And yeah, we're coming back again to do another album here.
Yeah.
And
we've already started anyway.
We've already started anyway.
So
it's gonna be.
We're just gonna come and complete it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Time to go and eat now.
We're done.
We're hungry, man.
We're done.
Hungry. Yeah, thank you.